cold. Oh, too much. Okay, that's good. Alright, so some cold water, some hot water. Just a little, make it a little warm. Not hot. Okay, 0. So 640 grams of water. And just sort of combine the liquid stuff. The starter is from the fridge, so it's cold. This will help it start getting active. Okay, 0 again. Now 880 grams of bread flour. Right? And then 100 or so grams of the spelt flour. I'm gonna go up to 980, hopefully. I have enough. Yeah. Okay, now just mix everything until it's shaggy dough. Just mixing all the flours and the liquid until we have dough that's shaggy like this. That's pretty much it. And just leave this for 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, it's like an hour later because I forgot about this thing, but I got 30 grams of salt here. And this is what the dough looks like after autolyze. It kind of pulls back a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a little salt. This is all 30 grams. Then I just incorporate it. I try to mix it in. Then I sort of fold the dough a little bit over. It's okay if there are clumps of flour for now. It'll liquefy and they'll go away, but I just kind of gradually add salt. Just try to get it into the dough. Still a little clumpy. Could have done a little better job mixing it the first time, but that's okay. You'll see it will like liquefy and all this flour will get absorbed eventually. This is very watery here on the side, so just add the rest of the salt here. Now, this is kind of a first fold, so I just try to mix the salt in as much as you can. This dough is a little drier than I usually like, but so I fold it, just fold it over on itself a few times. Scrape whatever you can. If I didn't put as much flour, it would be a little bit easier to deal with this right now. But you don't want to like knead the dough. You don't have to. Just folding it, like stretching it out a little bit, and then folding it on itself. And now just again fold a few more times, and then cover in another 30 minutes. Then repeat the same folding in 30 minutes, and then one more time 30 minutes after that. You okay? Okay, it's 30 minutes. This is the starter that I had going. So it's like kind of liquidy now. So now this is just the second fold. I'll just try to stick it in the bowl. I'll just do everything in the bowl, don't bother taking it out. You don't want to like tear it, but just easier to fold. Give it time to like stretch out. The point of folding is just to give it evenness in the dough. And just fold a few more times like this, give it time to stretch out, and then repeat this and cover it for 30 minutes and then repeat that one more time. So just the rice flour. Sprinkle a little into the proving basket. And then I take half of this to see it like got much larger. I just usually cut it with a knife. Take out half of it. And you can fold it on the table or something like that, but I just do it. I don't want to waste time. Just pull it out. Thanks. Pull it out and sort of try to shape it into. Just fold it in the back like this. Okay. And just drop it here. And sprinkle a little more rice flour on top.
Can regular flour be used if you don't have rice flour?
It's gonna get absorbed into the dough. It's gonna become drier. So if your dough is wetter, you can probably use regular flour, but rice flour just does not stick to anything. It doesn't get absorbed, so rice flour is better. Yeah, I just have one proving basket, so for the other one I just use like a towel. So you get like a baking tray thing. Just get a towel. Again, just put some rice flour just so dough doesn't stick. You can probably get away just not using any flour, or a little bit of regular flour. And this one you can shape a little bit differently. I just tend to just roll it up like this into a roll like this. You can put some oil in your hand if it sticks to your fingers or whatever. But I just like to make a little roll like this.
Log.
Yeah, and then drop it in. Same thing, just put a little flour on top so that the towel doesn't stick to it, and just loosely cover. Let it breathe a little bit, and for like maybe an hour or 2 hours. Okay, it's preheated, 425. Got a Dutch oven. Do this one first. Make sure you wear mittens. Okay. So I just flip it over.
Over the sink?
Yeah. Flip it over. Get a nice pattern on the back. Put it down. Very important. Slice. go. And spray some water inside. Do 4 sprays to keep the crust nice and brown. All right. Now this guy. Wow. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Not as pretty as the previous one. We'll make it work. Do a few slices to give it room to expand. Do a few sprays in there. With the lids on.
Okay.
Okay, it's been 20 minutes. So we're gonna take the lid off. Put a nice rice. This one. And let's take the lid on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so lid off. It's really hot. Lid off. I'm lowering the temperature to 400 just so it doesn't burn in my oven. I don't know if all ovens are the same. And I'm gonna set a timer for another 40 minutes, and that's it. Okay, time's up. No. Shit, it's hot. So when it's done, just pop it out and put it on a rack for like an hour. So it's gonna finish baking a little bit. Let's see if it burns. Nope, not really. Leave it on the rack for about an hour and then cover it.